Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone listening. It's so great to be back with you today.
It's always great to be here, David. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, positive, hopeful, and excited about the future.
The future. That's our topic today, right?
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about the future, how to speak about your plans, dreams, and goals in English.
It's one of my favorite topics. The future always feels full of possibilities, and it's so useful to know how to talk about it correctly in English.
Yes, we'll learn when to use will and when to use going to, and we'll also share some vocabulary and expressions you can use when talking about your future plans.
So, David, let's start with something simple. What will you do after this podcast?
After the podcast, I think I will make a cup of coffee.
Perfect. You said, I will make a cup of coffee. That's a great example of how to talk about the future using will.
Right. Will is easy. We use it when we make a quick decision, something we just decide at the moment of speaking. For example, I'm thirsty. I think I'll drink some water.
Exactly. It's a decision you make now. You didn't plan it before. So another example could be, it's raining. I'll take an umbrella.
Yes, or I'm tired. I'll go to bed early tonight. Easy, right?
Very easy. Let's quickly look at the form. It's the same for all subjects. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. And we often say I'll instead of I will.
So, I'll go. You'll see. He'll call. We'll have dinner. So simple.
And for the negative, we say will not, or the short form won't.
Right. For example, I won't watch TV tonight. Or it won't rain tomorrow.
Perfect. So will is great for quick decisions, promises, or predictions about the future. For example, I think it will snow next week. That movie will be amazing. Or don't worry, I'll help you.
Yes, will is also very good when we're offering help or making promises, like, I'll call you tomorrow, or I'll help you with your homework.
Nice examples. Okay, so will, simple, flexible, great for quick ideas or predictions.
But Emily, what if we're talking about something we already planned, something we decided before now?
Then we use going to. For example, this weekend I'm going to visit my parents. It's a plan I made earlier. And you, David? Any plans?
Yes, I'm going to clean my apartment. Not very exciting, but necessary.
Haha, yes. Cleaning is always a plan. So remember, everyone, we use will for quick decisions and going to for real planned actions.
We can also use going to for predictions when we can see evidence for the future.
Good point. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain.
Yes, because we can see the clouds. We have evidence. Or, be careful, you're going to drop your phone.
Exactly. So, will, prediction, no evidence. going to, prediction with evidence. Now let's move from plans to dreams. I love this part. David, what's a big dream you have for the future?
I have a big dream. One day, I will open my own cafe.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I will open my own cafe. That's perfect. Will is great here because it's a dream, a strong belief about the future.
Yes, it's not a plan yet. I don't have the money or the place, but it's a dream. And later, I can make plans to make it happen. For example, next year, I'm going to take a business course.
Yes, that's how we move from a dream to a plan. The dream, I will open my own cafe. The plan, I'm going to study business.
Exactly. Dreams are big, plans are small steps to reach them.
That's such an important idea. A dream without a plan is just a wish, but a dream with a plan becomes possible.
I love that. So, Emily, what's one of your big dreams for the future?
Well, I will write a children's book one day.
That's wonderful. And do you have a plan?
Yes, I do. This month, I'm going to write 1 page a day. It's a small step, but small steps lead to big results.
That's so true. Consistency is the key. If you write 1 page a day, in a month you'll have 30 pages. That's amazing progress.
Let's teach our listeners some useful time expressions for the future.
Good idea. Let's go through some examples. Tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow. Tonight. We're going to have dinner tonight. Next week. I'm going to start my new job next week. Next month. She's going to move to a new city next month. Next year. We'll buy a car next year. In 2 days. He's going to visit me in 2 days. In 5 years. I will live by the sea in 5 years.
Excellent list. These words help show when the action will happen. You can also use soon, later, in the future, or one day.
Yes, for example, one day I will speak English fluently. In the future, I'm going to travel more.
We can also use hope when we talk about the future. For example, I hope it will be sunny tomorrow. Or, I hope you will get your dream job.
That's true. Hope makes your sentence sound more emotional or positive. We can also use plan to or want to. For example, I plan to learn Spanish next year. I want to start a YouTube channel.
And don't forget would like to. It's polite and soft. I'd like to travel to Japan someday. Or, I'd like to improve my English.
Yes, those are excellent phrases for dreams and goals. So our listeners can mix these together. I will travel the world. I'm going to save money. I hope I'll visit Japan next year. I'd like to learn more languages.
Perfect examples. David, sometimes people feel scared about the future. It can feel uncertain.
Yes, that's true. But planning small steps helps us feel more confident and in control. You don't need to plan the whole year, just plan tomorrow.
Exactly. For example, if your dream is to speak English fluently, don't think, I need 5 years. Instead, think, tomorrow, I'm going to listen to 1 episode of Mr. English Podcast.
That's a great plan. And maybe next week, I'm going to learn 10 new English words, step by step.
Yes, every small plan you complete brings you 1 step closer to your big dream.
And remember, it's never too late to dream again or to make a new plan.
Absolutely. The future's unwritten. You are going to write your own story.
Beautifully said, Emily. All right, everyone, it's practice time. We want you to try making your own sentences using will and going to.
Let's give them a few examples first. I'll say one and you repeat it after me, okay?
Great idea.
I will call my friend tonight.
I'm going to visit my grandparents next week.
I won't eat junk food tomorrow.
I'm going to start exercising next month.
Nice work, everyone. Practice saying these sentences out loud. It helps your speaking and pronunciation.
Okay, let's do a quick review before we finish.
Yes, we learned use will for quick decisions, promises, and predictions.
Use going to for plans and things you've already decided.
Use won't for negative sentences.
Use time expressions like tomorrow, next week, or in 2 years.
And remember, dreams are big, but small steps make them real.
Exactly. And don't forget to be positive about your future. You can say, I will succeed. I'm going to reach my goals. I will keep trying.
Yes, the words you use create your mindset. Speak positively about your future and it becomes brighter.
Well, Emily, that brings us to the end of another episode of Mr. English Podcast.
Yes, it was so nice talking about the future today. I feel inspired.
Me too. And we hope all of you listening feel inspired as well. Now it's your turn.
Write a comment below this episode. Tell us one thing you are going to do tomorrow and one big dream you have for your future. Use will or going to.
We'd love to read your comments, and maybe we'll share some of them in our next episode.
That's right. And before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast. Give this episode a like and share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep smiling.
Until next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.